a couple days late on getting some videos out. Um, it's been a hell of a week. I haven't been feeling that well, so I didn't really care to do anything. I kind of just felt blah, and we didn't really have any new footage to put up. So last night, around 2 a.m., I was watching Johnny's Journey live stream, and almost near the end there, the internet went out. So I still couldn't sleep, but without internet, kind of got nothing to do. So I went to our old computer that we still do certain stuff on, and I ended up finding some of our lost footage. We lost a lot of stuff. I mean, there's the Mackinac Bridge footage from 5 years ago. That's gone. And a bunch of other stuff, and we just can't find it. And we've been searching memory disks and throughout the computer, still can't find it. But I did find our trip to St. Ignace. And on that footage, which we have some of that on a regular video that's already on YouTube, but our GoPro footage was missing. So I found all that, and some of it we can't even use because it was the first time we tried using the head strap for the GoPro, because we were going up all those stairs at Castle Rock, and very shaky. So I'll try to do something with that so we can put that in there. And we stayed at, figures it would start getting windy right now. We stayed at Castle Rock Lakefront campground, and so we have some footage of that isn't on the original video. We had the GoPro strapped to our older motorhome, and so that kind of gives you a better idea of what the park looks like, because we had to drive all the way to the back. They put us on the water all the way in the back, and there was nobody back there. The motorhome was too big for the site, but she says nobody's going to be back there, so you'll be fine. It was great. Our view, pretty much out of most of the windows, were of the water. So anyway, so we'll put that up there. Hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, happy trails.